Today I'm going to do a review on the DJI Air 2S. My initial entry into the drone industry, I started with a Mavic Mini. Then I moved up to this, the DJI Air 2S. This is an awesome piece of equipment. Came equipped with a 1-inch sensor. The 1-inch sensor does enable this drone to record 5K video as well as 4K 60 and take pictures at 20 megapixels. Now you will need a comparable PC, laptop, tablet, smartphone device that can handle the 5K video. However, the 5K video is beautiful. The colors pop. For any professional, you're gonna love editing the 5K video. And yes, I did say smartphone because I actually edit the 4K and 5K video on my iPhone 13. Not only is this aircraft equipped with the 1-inch sensor up front to take the beautiful pictures and video, it also was equipped with sensors on the rear as well as the front. These sensors would enable the obstacle avoidance to take place. But also, keep in mind, you have to have the obstacle avoidance turned on. Here, I did not. I was really impressed by the battery life. On average, I would get about 25 minutes per battery. I bought the Fly More combo, so I had 3. I usually would never run through all 3 batteries. I also did a height test. Wanted to take it up, see how far I could take it. 399 feet within regulations, of course. I also did a speed test. Got up to 40 plus miles an hour. Thing is pretty quick. A little bit of free game if you're just now getting into this and you just purchased your Air 2S. Be sure to remove the gimbal cover before you power it up. This is very important that you do so. My overall experience with the DJI Air 2S drone has been nothing short of awesome. I really don't have many complaints. One of my main complaints would be that the app does not work on my Android phone. That would probably be my main complaint. Other than that, I would definitely recommend this drone to any professional or unprofessional photographer. It's a great tool to add to your camera bag. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more reviews.